In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a video to a computer folder from CapCut PC. If you've finished editing your project and you want to make sure the final video is saved directly into the exact folder you want on your computer, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can export your video, choose the right save location, and quickly open the folder once the export is complete. To begin, open the export window in CapCut. Go to the top right area of the program and click the bright blue Export button. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and E to open it right away. This brings up the Export panel, which is where you'll choose your file name, your save location, and your video settings before creating the final file. Once the export window appears, the next thing you want to do is choose where the video will be marked. In the title field, type the name you want for your video. This helps keep your files organized, especially if you're working on multiple projects. Then look for the Save to section. Next to it, click the small folder icon. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer. From there, find the exact folder where you want your video to go, select that folder, and then click Select Folder. This is the key step that ensures your exported video goes exactly where you want it, instead of getting lost somewhere on your computer. After that, you're ready to export. In the video exporting section, quickly review your settings. Choose a resolution such as 1080p or 4K depending on the quality you need. For most users, 1080p is a great balance between quality and file size, while 4K is better if you want maximum detail. Make sure the format is set to MP4, since that's one of the most widely supported video formats and works well for sharing, uploading, and playback. When everything looks right, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. CapCut will begin processing your video. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. Once the export is finished, click Open Folder. That will immediately take you to the folder on your computer where your newly saved video is located so you can view it, move it, upload it, or share it right away. And that's it. Your video is now exported and saved directly to the folder you selected in CapCut PC.